Hey friends, welcome to Hope Restored Farms. Today we're talking about something we all deal with, that heavy, bloated feeling after the meals that matter. You know, the holidays, the cookouts, the reunions, the celebrations. We gather around food because it brings us together. But sometimes, after all that joy and all those casseroles, your stomach waves a little white flag. You feel stuffed, gassy, maybe even nauseous. And instead of enjoying the rest of the evening, you're fighting discomfort. You deserve better than that. You deserve to feel good in your body. Start simple, 050 to 120. Before we talk herbs, start simple. Water. Sip a big glass slowly. Pair it with a short walk. Nothing dramatic. Just enough movement to remind your body it's still working. Hydration and gentle movement are nature's reset button. When your stomach feels tight or uneasy, chamomile is the old friend to call on. Steep it for about 10 minutes and sip slowly. It relaxes your digestive muscles and helps your whole system settle. Fennel seeds have been trusted for centuries to ease bloating and help food move smoothly. Crush them lightly. Steep in hot water and sip. It's subtle, soothing, and quietly effective. If you're dealing with gas or bloating, peppermint tea can help. The menthol relaxes your intestinal muscles, so gas can move through instead of getting stuck. If you struggle with reflux, start small. When nausea or fullness hits hard, ginger is a go-to. Slice a few pieces, steep in hot water, and sip. You'll feel the warmth working through your system. If you're prone to heartburn, make it a mild brew. Sometimes your stomach needs more than comfort. It needs protection. Marshmallow root, slippery elm, and plantain create a soothing, protective coating that calms irritation. Marshmallow root, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons. Slippery elm, mix powder into warm water. Plantain/psyllium, stir 1 teaspoon into water. These herbs are like a soft blanket for your stomach. For most teas, use 1 teaspoon of dried herb per cup of water. Steep 5 to 15 minutes. Sip slowly. For mucilage herbs, use 1 to 2 tablespoons of powder in warm water. Add lemon if you like. It brightens the flavor. You don't need to punish yourself for enjoying good food and good company. Your body knows how to heal. It just needs a little kindness. Healing doesn't have to be rushed. A steady life beats a perfect one. So after the meals that matter, pour yourself something gentle. Sip slowly. Breathe deeply. You deserve to feel good in your body.